Hi there, my name is Carrie and I am here to help you learn everything you need to know to take your brows from daytime to nighttime with Brow Bar by Reema. The magic potion for beautiful brows for daytime and nighttime is going to be the Bombshell Brow Serum. It is going to give us full, thick brows that are going to be amazing to work with. For the daytime brows, my priority is having natural looking brows that are going to last all day long. So I'm using the best-selling microblade pen from Brow Bar by Reema. The pen provides light feather-like strokes for natural, flawless brows. It's semi-permanent and waterproof, which is incredible. It's going to give you long-lasting brows. We're going to couple the microblade pen with the brow lift. The brow lift lets us sculpt the brows and define them to the exact shape that we want, leaving us with beautiful brows for the day. I completed the rest of my daytime makeup with the Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen for my highlight and for my eyeshadow, and I topped off my lips with the BH Bear lip product. For our Bombshell Brow Essentials for nighttime, we are working with the Brow Pomade, the Brow Lift, and the Pro Definer Pencil. This combination is going to give us beautifully defined, bold brows for nighttime and evening wear. For evening looks, I like to go a little bit heavier with my brows, a little less natural of a look, so I sometimes choose a darker color, or I fill them in a little bit more, or define them a little more crisp.
It's always a good idea to start your brows by brushing them out with a spoolie. I'm then taking an angled brush and using the brow pomade to outline my brows. I fill in the outer edges of them to keep them really dark, and then we'll be using the Pro Definer pencil to create fine feathered hairs and give it a little bit more of a natural look on the inner end of the brow. We can utilize the precision tip of the Pro Definer pencil to give a nice sharp tail at the end of the brow. Next, we are going to make our brows nice and defined by taking the brow lift and going around and cleaning up the brows. Here is a look at our gorgeous brows so far, and now we're going to finish up the makeup. I'm using the brow lift as a concealer or a primer on my eyes to hold the eyeshadow. Next, we're creating a simple but effective look with the Drama Queen palette. I use the dark shade on the lid, blend it out with the tan shade, and then use the light golden shimmer in the inner corner and on the lid. Let's finish our look with the Golden Kiss Chrome lipstick.
Being able to change your brows from daytime to nighttime, or a more natural look to a more defined evening look, is going to change your makeup game. Make sure to head to browbarbyreema.com to get all of your brow essentials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.